Hey, welcome to HowTo and Few. Today we're going to do a tune-up and tune-up, oil change, air filter, etc. on this Cub Cadet. It has a Kawasaki motor. We went ahead and ordered the kit that has everything that we need. There's a more expensive kit. I can't remember the brand name, if it was Cub Cadet, MTD, or Kawasaki, but this is Sten's. I've ordered these before for other mowers, and it's a little cheaper, and I think the quality is just about the same. It's a lawnmower, so. But if you're inclined to get the more expensive one, then go right ahead. So let's see what we get in our little kit. Really like these because everything is included, and you pretty much guaranteed that it's going to fit. And when I say everything, even the oil, 2 quarts, which is what these engines take. New oil filter, new air filter, new air filter wrap, fuel filter, didn't expect that one, 2 NGK plugs. They're going to gap out at 0.03, so look that up if you can't find it on your machine. There's even a sticker here if I wanted to stick this to let me know how many hours I put on it since the last time I changed it, which we won't be using. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is get my oil draining. There's this drain tube on this model. I'm going to go ahead and loosen that up now before I stick it through to the bottom. My hope is that that's not cooperating. Alright, somebody went completely overboard. Alright, I'm finally getting it to turn. I don't want to drain my oil up here, but I did. My hope was to get it loose. Oh my God, what an idiot. Oh, I hope that's not somebody I know. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and lower it through. And it is hand loose, so now I can open it. Hopefully I won't get too much oil on me. And let the oil drain. Whoa! On the ground. Alright. Drain screws out. Alright, while that's draining, we'll start on the spark plugs. Spark plugs are supposed to be set at 0.03. So we'll take our little gauge, and we're about 0.35 here. Alright, so 0.03. Let's go ahead and take care of the second one right now too. Also a little wide. It's right about right. These boots have been on here a while. I'll take a look at these plugs. They actually don't look too bad. Not really pitted. Looks like they have a good burn. Not oily. But some external rust here indicates they've been in there a while. Spark plugs have a little crush washer, so you want to be tight, but not too tight. On to the other side. A little bit darker than the other side. Might be running a little rich, but it's a lawnmower. Alright, plugs are done. Time for the air filter. We've actually already... Here's our old one. Not looking too good. We've already taken that one off because we cleaned up underneath here. It was looking pretty bad. And so went ahead and pressure washed that. Closed up the carburetor first with some plastic. So believe it or not, we are pretty much roaring through this tune-up. I might do something about this. This is actually broke off, but it still clips in place. Last issue right here. Let me get a pair of pliers, and then we'll do the fuel filter. Alright, gonna be a little tough to see, but here's our fuel filter. Go ahead and back this clamp up. this puppy needed to be changed. Whew, dirty. We might want to let this dry a little bit while we crank it up. Bottom clamps back in place. Top one is 2 on the camera. Oil filter. Kind of hard to see. You can see just the dome of it right in here. I'm gonna try to reach around. Do a reach around. Alright, we got lucky. Coming off hand tight. It's gonna be messy right here. There's not much I can do about this. I'm actually gonna need a little bit of that oil on my finger just to wet the seal on this new filter, that way it doesn't melt to the block. Yeah, it's looking bad. Lots of oil. Well, hopefully it'll drain out of there at some point. I'm gonna call that and say that's good. Only thing left to do, refill with oil. Not much of a funnel, but it'll work in a pinch. Oh, that's nasty. Alright, besides the mess, that's a wrap. Alright, so believe it or not, that's a wrap. Probably going to be a little bit hard to start due to the fact that we changed the fuel filter, but let's give it a shot. Fuel filter's already full, so everything working like it should. It's running pretty good there, better than before. Probably gonna start real quick now too. Maybe not. That's what I get for pushing it. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up or click the subscribe button. That goes a long way to help YouTubers like me keep making videos like this. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.